Folks, out with the Wayne, and it looks like my second hole of the day is the silver. What do we got? It's a dime. Oh, it's a Georgie. Nice. All right. The Silver George dime. Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Awesome. What year do we have? Man, that's a good start. Just got here. Second hole. First hole was a 68 penny. Second hole is a 40s. Or, yeah, is it 40 something? Hard for me to see, but that's awesome. All right. We'll see you on the next, folks. All right, folks. Still at it. Looks like we might have a silver ring. Yep. It's definitely going to be silver. It's windy out today. Yep, there. That's marked, right? There, I think. Alright, cool. Catch you on the next. See you, folks. Alright, folks. Looks like we just found a 1965 20 centavos. Mexico. Cool. Alright. Something different. Never found one of these before. Rang up pretty good. Sounded like a quarter. Alright. Catch you on the next, folks. See you up here in Canada at the 20 centavos. Alright. Awesome. See you on the next. A little bit of wildlife. Sorry about the wind. Cool. Very cool. There was another one. It's mate, I would guess. It's here. That wind is killing. Alright, folks, looks like we have silver dime, or silver coin, number 70 on the season. What do we have? What do we have? It's a young Lizzie. Awesome, cool. Silver coin number 70. What is it, April the 2nd? Cool. Sweet. Sweet, 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 sweet. Alright. We're going to plug around a little bit longer and see if we can't get a few more. Cool. Catch you on the next, folks. Alright, folks. There's the Wayne. Swinging away. And it looks like we may have another silver dime. What do we got down there? Let's check it out together. Let's check it out together. Oh, it's a Georgie dime. Sweet, second Georgie on the day. Alright, nice. Cool. Sweet. Here comes the wind. Sorry, folks. It's a blustery day. Alright, cool. We're going to carry on and see if we can't get any more. Alright, catch you on the next, folks. Folks, another little wrap up from today's hunt, and we got a bunch of mixed pennies. There's young Lizzies, Wheaties, and Georges in there, and Memorials. I just mix them all together. Quite a little batch. We got 2 cars today. Not that old. Cool though. Got a couple American quarters. They always sound nice. They sound like silvers. We got a 20 centavos, 1965. Kind of odd to get one of those up here, but alright, I'll take it. Another one for the collection. We got a nice 925 silver ring. Very cool. The rings are starting to add up. The silver bling. Sweet. And as for silver coins, we got a 1941 KG5 penny, or sorry, silver dime, 80%. We got a 1947 KG6. Sorry, did I say 5 last time? They're both KG6. 80%. And that one has the little star beside it. And we got a 1964 Young Lizzie dime. 80%er. Alright, just a short, quick little wrap up. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next, folks. See ya.